Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create and use a debug/monitor middleware for Python wsgi, web server gateway interface, applications. Middleware is a powerful concept in wsgi, allowing you to intercept and manipulate requests and responses before they reach your application. Debug/monitor middleware is especially useful for diagnosing issues, profiling performance, and gaining insights into your application's behavior. We will build a simple debug/monitor middleware that logs information about incoming requests and their processing time. We will then demonstrate how to integrate this middleware into a wsgi application. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. Let's start by creating our debug/monitor middleware class. We'll name it debugmiddleware. This middleware will log information about incoming requests and their processing time. In this code, let's create a simple wsgi application to test our debug/monitor middleware. This application will just return a hello, world, response. Now, let's integrate the debug middleware into our wsgi application. We'll wrap our simple _app with the debug middleware to monitor requests. In this code, to run the application, save the code above in a Python file, example debug_middleware_example.py, and execute it using Python. Your wsgi application with debug/monitor middleware is now running on port 8000. You can access it by opening a web browser and navigating to http://localhost 8000. Check the terminal where you started the server to see the request information and response times logged by the debug middleware. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a debug/monitor middleware for Python wsgi applications. You can extend this middleware to log more detailed information or integrate additional monitoring and debugging tools. Middleware is a flexible and powerful tool in the wsgi ecosystem, allowing you to customize and enhance the behavior of your web applications. ChatGPT.